What is up, guys? Joel here, and we just had WWDC, so that means it is beta season. So Apple just announced iOS 18 at their yearly Worldwide Developers Conference, and this one was actually a really good one because we got a lot of useful updates to iOS and a lot to do with AI, or as Apple calls it, Apple Intelligence. Now, in this video, I wanted to give a rundown of 18 of my favorite iOS 18 features that are coming out this fall. Before we begin though, iOS 18 is going to be compatible with all of these devices, starting from the iPhone SE second generation, all the way up to the latest iPhone 15 series. So if you have any of these devices and have a developer's account, you can get to the betas now. But as always, I've said in the past betas, don't install it if you rely on your device for important things like work and things like that, because sometimes you run into bugs and crashes on the day-to-day apps that you use. I would say stay away until maybe the public betas come out, because that's kind of more of a reliable beta. So for now, stay away until those betas come out, and Apple said those are set to release in July, but the finalized version of iOS 18 will officially launch in the fall. Now, I installed the beta on my iPhone 15 Pro here. This is not my primary, so that's why I'm going to install it first and see how it works out. And if there's not a lot of bugs and things like that on the apps that I typically use, then I might install it on this guy here. So my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we'll see, but for now, it's gonna go on this guy here. This is gonna be my testing device, the iPhone 15 Pro. But let's go ahead and kick things off and check out my favorite new features in iOS 18. So first thing on the list is going to be the way you can customize now your home screen. So Apple went into detail on how to customize your home screen now, because now you have the ability to personalize it a little bit more. So things like this here is now you can go to edit, customize, and then down here at the bottom, you'll see that now we can have automatic, dark mode, light mode, or tinted. Now when you select tinted, it will tint your icons to a certain color that matches your wallpaper. So I have like a blue, white, and a dark blue, and I would say light blue as well. Different shades of blue. And so it turns my icons into a blue tint now. Now I can change it to whatever I want here. Just kind of move this slider at the bottom and change it to whatever I want. Now you can also hit the little droplet tool, and then it'll let you select any color around here on your wallpaper so you can match it. So let's say this color here, let it go, and then your icons will match that color. You can also set them to large or small. Now if you notice, the icons now don't have a title on them, so you don't have a name on them anymore. So if you go to small, again, you'll see the name of the certain app, and if you go to large, they remove the actual names. But going back to customizing it, you can go to light mode, which is your regular light mode icons, and also now you can do dark mode, which looks pretty cool. I like this better. And you can also even darken your wallpaper by hitting that little icon right here on the left, and then you'll see that it darkens up your wallpaper. So that is pretty neat. What do you think about this? Now, if you have other apps, other third-party apps, you'll notice that they still are not tinted, and that's due to them having to update it and have the new feature enabled with the new software. I like the way it looks now. But also another thing with customizing is now you can move your icons around anywhere you want. So if you want to just move your icons here and then have some space in the middle, you can do so just like this. So it's really nice that they allow you now to customize it more to your liking. So if you have a wallpaper here, maybe a face in the middle, then that way you can still see that wallpaper, which is nice. But also another thing about customizing is now you can also customize your control center. So if you swipe down from the top right to activate control center, you now see a redesigned control center. So with this, you're now able to swipe between control centers because now you have different sections that are categorized. So you have your music, as you see right here on the right hand side, you see the little icon for the music. Swipe down again, you see your home apps here. So HomePod, speakers, anything, Apple TV, your lights, all that stuff will be here. And if you swipe it down again, you have your different toggles for cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all those things. Now, those are not the only ones, because now when you press and hold, you can now customize it some more. So if you actually swipe down some more after you press and hold on the screen, you now are able to add more controls, as you see here. So this is a list of different controls you can add. So you can really customize it to your liking. Once again, allows you to customize your device a lot more. So I'm a fan of this new customizable control center. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Now, since we're talking about customizing, one other thing here is now you can customize your icons here on your lock screen. So when you go here into your lock screen, customize, you can now select different icons right down here. So these are going to be different controls as well. So instead of your camera and flashlight, like they've been for the longest time, you can search different controls now and have them set to different things. So you can do things like ping your watch as one of them, and the other one will set as, let's say, the calculator. Hit done, and then now you'll see that you press and hold that, and then you launch your calculator. And if you go back, lock your screen, press and hold. Forgot my Apple Watch was not paired to this one here, to this phone. So let's switch it up really quick. Let's just select the remote. And now you'll be able to launch your remote directly from the lock screen here. So just like that. Now, another one of my favorite features now is the fact that you can customize the action button now. So if you are an iPhone 15 Pro user, then you can customize the action button to more things like this. So I can toggle between dark mode on and off, and everything will go into dark mode, as you see here, or just go back to light mode with a simple press of a button. So the action button now has more functionality than it has before. Now, Messages has also got an improvement by now adding text effects. So now when you're texting back, you can now add different text effects by pressing that little icon on the right hand side. You can highlight your text and then add different effects to it. So here I can just do this here, send it over. As you see here, I did the strikeout text, so you can do that as well. So now you get more text effects whenever you're using the Messages app. Now, another new thing is also tapbacks have now got upgraded. So when you press and hold on a message, you can still like it, you can thumbs it up, laugh at it, things like that. But now if you scroll over, you can do any other emoji. So whichever emoji you want to choose now, you can select it and send that over. So as you see here, you can now choose any emoji that you want, or even use your stickers if you like to. So if you have any stickers here, you can do that as well. Now you can also send a message later, but it doesn't seem like I was able to get that working in this first beta, so I don't think it is out yet. If it is, let me know how to do it. I tried to press and hold and that didn't work. So I don't know how else you could probably do it. But let me know in the comments below if I'm doing something wrong. But another new thing is that now RCS is coming to Messages on iPhone. So now you'll be able to finally send and receive those uncompressed photos and videos. And now you'll also be able to see delivery and read receipts along sending larger files and things like that. So that is a big win for both Android and iPhone users. Now, another new feature with iOS 18 is the fact that you can now lock and hide your apps. So for example, let's do Messages. Require Face ID. So Face ID will be required to open up the app or use Siri with it, and notification previews and Spotlight will not show any app content. So when I hit Require Face ID, it's going to first see my face. Once it authenticates my face, then it will lock that app. So now when you try to open it, it's going to require Face ID to open up that app. So try again, and then now I'm in that app again. What do you think about locking and hiding your apps now? Is that a win for many of you guys? Let me know your comments down below. So speaking about apps, there is a new app called Passwords. So with Passwords, this is where you'll find all your passwords from your iCloud keychain. So first, it will require your Face ID to open it up. And now you'll see your passwords here in different sections. You have all passkeys, codes, Wi-Fi, security, and deleted. You can also share your passwords to family. So if you have them in family sharing, you can easily share those. And then you can also add different shared passwords and passkeys right here. And you can add trusted contacts, choose what to share, and then just have it all in one place. But when you go in here, you'll see all your passwords. Of course, I'm not gonna open it up. Don't want to show any of my passwords for anything, but this is now a new location to view all the passwords that you have saved in your phone. So I find this very, very useful now. If you use any password manager apps like I do, soon they might be taken over by this app. It's still missing a lot of things here. I think this is a good step, and it will eliminate a lot of password manager apps that are out there right now. So what do you think about Passwords, the application now? Now another new feature in iOS 18 is the fact that you can send cash now
without sharing phone numbers or email
to
addresses.
another user,
With Tap to
and that
Cash,
is called Tap to Cash. So it lets you now easily send cash to another iPhone user by bringing both devices together and make in-person payments quickly and easily without having to share your phone numbers or email
just
addresses.
by holding your phone.
Now, Wallet
Next,
is supposed to also bring more bank integration to it by bringing rewards and point balances to the Wallet app and allow you to redeem those points with Apple Pay, online, and in apps. So I'm excited for that because I like using the point reward system when it comes to credit cards and things. So having it all into one app now, or at least starting to do that into the Wallet app, is a nice addition to the Wallet app. Another big thing is the ability to now record and transcribe a live call directly from your iPhone app. And that is all thanks to Apple's AI system that's being integrated to iOS 18, or as Apple says, Apple Intelligence. So it's able to use Apple Intelligence and allow you to record and transcribe those calls. AI or Apple Intelligence is going to bring a lot of new features that will extend this video even longer, so I don't want to do that. There are also new Genmojis thanks to AI, where it'll allow you to easily just type something that you are thinking of, maybe somebody wearing a hat, an emoji with a backwards hat that is listening to AirPods or something. I'm pretty sure that could be made, but with Genmoji and Apple Intelligence, it will be able to create that emoji for you, along with a variety of other, it's like pretty much endless amounts of new emojis that you can create just by thinking of something and typing it out and letting Apple Intelligence do all the work for you. But these are just some of the features I've been using in iOS 18 on my iPhone 15 Pro. So far, so good. I haven't really found many bugs yet. I think this is pretty smooth so far. But let me know what your thoughts are. And as always, if you did enjoy this video, let me know by hitting that like button down below, as it not only lets me know that you enjoy the video, but also supports the channel and lets me know that you want to see more. So this is beta 1. Stay tuned for beta 2. That should be coming out more than likely in about 2 weeks from now. That should be launching. But stay tuned to the channel, as I'll be bringing out more content, especially now that beta season is here. And down below in the comments, let me know what your favorite feature so far is in iOS 18. I would say mine is the fact that you can customize so much now, especially like Control Center. I've tried to mess with that a little bit here, see what works for me, but yeah, so far I like the Control Center and also dark mode. Dark mode, all things for sure. But if you feel like being awesome, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate your support very much. And I'll catch you all on the next beta, or maybe sooner. All right. Peace.